Hello, my name is Brad Altman, and I want to thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Within this video, I'm going to be sending you some free information that you can use on your website, which you see I have pulled up for you. Um, as I go through here, there will be little bits of information that you can add to your website to make it grow stronger, bring in more uh, clients, and if you're looking for people to hire, you can hire people through this as well. I'm going to start right out with complimenting on your webpage. Um, Looks like you guys do a health approach to cleaning. You do carpet cleaning, window washing, medical cleaning, office cleaning. So you offer a lot of services. You have a good philosophy going on here as well. A contact information down here, even how to contact you with an email. That is awesome. So the first thing I'd like to start talking about, however, is word count. Word count is the amount of words you have on your website. So what I am doing is I'm copying and pasting your URL, and I'm going to put it into this free tool called Word Count. As you can see, it is free. All you have to do is search for it on Google, and it will come up for you. And there are several of them out there that you can use, not just the word count that I'm using. It looks like you have 379 words on your web page. Now I'm going to go over here to your competitor, and I'm going to do the same thing, copy and paste. So remember, you have 379 words. And apparently your competition doesn't have any words on their web page. So I'm going to go over here to another competitor, Mr. Bubbles, and I'm going to do the same thing, copy and paste. And they have 3,988 words. Oh, that must have been your competition. Let's go back. I just went too fast last time. It says it's checking right now. So Mr. Bubbles, their URL isn't very good, so it wouldn't let me bring up the amount of words they have. But we're going to see what Mr. Elm Window Cleaning has here. Well, while I'm waiting for that, I'm going to show you how I found your competition. I went into Google search bar and I put window and office cleaning because that's the type of work that you guys do. So if you're looking for pizza, you would just type pizza in here. Of course, it'll bring up all this information down here. The first thing that pops up is the map it area. And that's how I found a couple of your competitors out there. This, however, is the second place that people will click on when searching for something. So if this was a Pizza Hut, this area would be the second place that they'd click on Pizza Hut or Domino's or wherever it might be. However, down here is what's referred to as the organic search. And according to Google, this is the first place that people are going to come in and click on to find what they're looking for. And while I'm here, I'm just going to search through and see if I can find. Obviously, I don't see you guys right here. So you're not even on the first page of Mapits. Now I'm going to go down here and see if I can find you guys in this area. Or your competition, of course. And I'm not seeing your competition or you there. Oh, there's Elmwood. Okay, so they're on the first page of the second page. Okay, which is a good thing for you. That means it's going to be very easy for you guys to outrank these guys. I just wanted to see if you guys were in here at all while I was here. And I'm not seeing you guys. Okay, so with this in mind, they're on the second page, not the first page. So it's going to be very easy for you guys to outrank them and get ranked in the number one spot in the search area, which is referred to as the organic search area. And again, I told you what organic words is, just keywords that you type into the search bar to find what you're looking for. So I'm using this tool now called Ahrefs. And it appears you guys only have one organic word in your web page, which is bringing you in zero amount of money from your website. As you can see, this is an estimated value of your target's monthly organic search. So apparently your web page is not bringing you any money at this point. With that in mind, I'm going to come over here and I'll go to your competition. Again, you can see I have them typed in right here. And they have 14 organic words, bringing them $4 a month. Let's go over to Mr. Bubbles and you'll see something different here. So they have 390 organic words, which is bringing them 3.5 thousand, so $3,500 a month from their web page. So organic words are very important on your website, or so is something referred to as backlinks, and I'll talk about that here very shortly. But you can see by having organic words put on your web page how much money it's going to make a difference. And again, it has to be good organic words. It just can't be anything. Um, this is mine. I'm going to see if that ever loaded. No. So for some reason, I'm not finding these guys. But back to you, words. So you had 369, if I remember right. So it's very important, according to Google, to have anywhere from 1,500 to 2,000 words on your web page to get ranked. So I'm just going to see what your organic word is since we're here. Oh, that's loaded. Go back here. So back to the organic search, and that's how I found your competition. Like I said, so Bubbles is number one. Elmwood Cleaning is number two. And again, I don't see you guys at all. But then again, that's how I found these guys. And again, with simple keywords like window and office cleaning, and then the area that you're looking in, of course. So again, it's very important to have good organic words. So it looks like your Power Brake Cleaner is your um, power or your two key words here, and you can see they're not really doing much good for you at this point. Okay, not bringing in any traffic whatsoever. So by adding better keywords to your website, it's going to drastically help you. And as I mentioned, it's going to get you into the dollar amounts that Mr. Bubbles here is bringing in, about 3.5. So you guys could easily do that in money per month, if not even more with proper keywords. I mentioned backlinks. We're going to talk about that and then I'm going to let you go. Backlink is anywhere you find one website linking to another via clickable hyperlink text. I know that sounds pretty technical, but this is how Google says it. These links act like an endorse. Excuse me. These links act like an endorsement of your website from others, which Google uses to build trust in your business by seeing others vouching for you. So it's kind of like a popularity contest. Um, each of these people are vouching for each other, and that's getting them ranked up here on the number one spot on Mapit. And again, as you saw the keywords, there's nobody down in here. So you could very easily be ranked right here, number one, start bringing in more revenue to your company, and number one right here. It's not going to be hard to outrank these guys at all from what I'm seeing. So I do thank you for your time. I hope this information was useful. I'm just going to go over it just briefly again. More words on your webpage, which will allow you to add more keywords and better backlinks. Again, as we saw, you didn't have any, you had one keyword. You can add a lot more words, keywords to your website to help grow this website stronger. I thank you for your time, and I will leave you some information on how to contact me on my email I will be sending to you. And also, I never mentioned, but if you're looking to hire somebody, we can put a now hiring thing right here for you as well. Or like I said, this information is free for you to use. You can do whatever you